Hi. Everything fine with me. Everything is very good. Even if it's not good, that I want to share some things with you. We have some things here in Belgium that is not going the way that we want to go, but that's a learning process. So I want to challenge myself, and I want to share this with you. I really want to live positive in every situation. I want to manage myself, manage my feelings, manage to know that everything always is good. So in this moment, I want to challenge myself, and maybe you can do it for yourself. I was just out of a meditation, and I did some Luyong. I really love to do Jong Yoga because that's energetic inside, and it's really good for your physical body and your inner body. Why I want to share this? Like I said, I really love to do Luyong, and I did it for so long time, and then it stops, and that's what the mind or the ego wants to. You are so far, and then at one point you don't do it anymore because this is the time is not there, or you don't want to, and then day by day, moments by moments, you don't do it anymore. So now it's I think 1 month. So we are here in Belgium now for 2 weeks, and then before, I think it's more than a month that I don't do Jong Yoga anymore. And today I had an insight that I need to do it again because my physical body really wants it. I am doing a lot of things, but not with my physical body for the moment. So everything has to be in balance. I love to be in balance. Body, mind and spirit. So body is one of them. And for me, I love to do Luyong. I don't like to run or things like that. No, I want to be working with my inner self and my outer bit in a way that's good for me, that I want. So you can find some things for yourself. For me, that is Luyong, and I did this in the morning, and that's why I want to share this video for myself, but maybe for you too, that I can give you motivation. So I want to do it 40 days at a row. So if there are moments that my mind is saying, no, I don't want to, I don't have motivation, or no, I will do it every day. And I want to feel what experience I get into moments that it's not going so good. Because it can change a lot. Because you are making a habit, and making a habit is really good. I want to push me through some limits. I want to grow, so I don't want to stand on one point and stop there. No, I want to grow constantly. So that's why I challenge myself. It's on tape, so everybody knows it, and for me it's good if I listen to this video or look to this video again, then it will give me motivation. And even my mind is thinking then, okay, it's on tape now, you really have to do it, and that gives me motivation at that point. I did this before for a long time, and now because now it's, I don't know, the mind is sometimes making some things up why you not want to do something. So I want to stop that. I want to manage myself. So for now on, I will do it for 40 days, and I will set it on camera. Maybe not at my phone, but at the camera, and we'll see. Maybe I will post it and how I do Luyong. Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. And you can do it with me. I can learn you, but you need to want to do it. We will see how it will works out. So this I want to say in this moment. So this challenge I love to do. I have the motivation for it, and we will see what the experience will follow. So have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Enjoy the sun, enjoy yourself, grow into yourself, take limits further of you, things that you resisted to, go through it, because sometimes you can really learn about these things, especially if they are coming to you and you ignore it. Then that's not good. Don't ignore things that are coming from the universe to you. Okay, I'm glad that this is on tape, and now 40 days power. Bye.